This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Jacob Plotkin. Location. This 2-bed 2-bath updated partially furnished condo with vaulted ceilings. Enjoy your newer air conditioner, stainless steel appliances and screened-in porch with your own laundry. This smart home features a Nest thermostat, Yale X Nest deadbolt lock, and a Ring video doorbell. Community has a big beautiful pool and low condo fee. This location is close to shopping centers, Town Center Mall, I-95 and top-rated schools. For more information, review the details below.